Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back with the weekly Gemar Creator tutorial. I'm Gergo from Hungary, a Gemar ambassador and a Gemar Creator master, and today, because it's almost Halloween, it's the middle of October, we decided to create some ghostly balloon decorations. It's gonna be really simple balloon decoration as well, but it's gonna be really useful for you to copy and paste into any bigger decorations and just like in tutorial overall. So what we're going to do is we're going to use round balloons, mostly round balloons. But before I do, let me just show you a really quick, simple ghost tutorial made from Gemar round balloons. Okay, so I have two, not white but butter here, and as you can see there's a difference how I tied this and how I tied this. So this one can be pushed back and this is not. So what I'm gonna do is just twist a small bubble, one right there, and I'm gonna twist one here, but as you see there's a difference between the two shapes. I'm gonna locking this together just like that. Okay, we need the modeling balloons exactly the same color. Okay. Just like that. You don't need the rest, so you can actually close it. So as you can see, we have a nice little ghost, wow, here. So we're gonna do something similar to this, but in Gemar Creator. So let's just jump right into the Gemar Creator. As you can see here, we have all the previous body skeleton, corn, apple, all the fall, autumn, back to school decorations. But right now we're gonna do something something else, because why not? We're going to do something else. So there's a lot of different technique how you can create a ghost. For example, you can use a balloon column, you can use a balloon wall, you can use column walls, arches, many different styles how you can create different projects in Gemar Creator. But what we're going to do right now, we're gonna do just a simple balloon column. Okay, the height is gonna be 140 or 150, it depends what you really want. This column, okay, customize the balloons, G120, perfect, standard white, it's so good. I'm gonna go to 21 centimeters, get dimensions, okay, create project, everything looks good. And as you can see here, we already have the base. Okay, I'm gonna unlock the presets, perfect. So we can delete this and this and this, and we're gonna have just that, perfect. So let's go back to element. I'm gonna add the head of the ghost, which is gonna be G140, standard white, perfect, just like that. I'm gonna send it back as a layer so the neck is covered, perfect. Maybe that's too big, so we don't need those. Okay, cool. What I'm gonna do although is just shrink it down this a little bit so we can actually create just like a tail, what we did here with this part. Okay, so we can create the tail of this cute little creature. Perfect, good. Good. Just like that. It's really simple. As you can see, it's shrinking down. What I will need is just one balloon here, and I'm gonna switch to front view so it's pointy pointy end. I'm gonna over inflate it and put it right here. Send this first format, send this at the back. Okay, so for the arms, I'm gonna use GL balloons, GL13 standard white, which is the G-Link, okay? So I'm gonna use G-Links, perfect. Let's put it right here. Okay, a little bit more inflated, just like that. So I'm gonna multiply this by, I don't know, 2 times. So we can have actually the arms. Okay, we're gonna cover the tying points. Okay, good. Just move this a little bit sideways. Cool. Something like this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just duplicate this one more time here so we can have the other arm. And what we can do is just, as I said, cover the tying points for the G-links. Okay, so we can go with 5-inch rounds here. I'm gonna zoom in so we can see everything better. Cool. Okay, so 1 tying points, 2 tying points, good. And 1 more tying points. That's awesome. I'm gonna duplicate this so I can cover these tying points as well. Good. Oops, too much. So we can have 1 arm here, which can go here. We have 1 arm here, which is a group and can go right here. Voila, maybe a little bit higher, but that's awesome on its own. And of course, if you want to add some face, you can add an image, which is a PNG here. I need to resize it so it's a little bit smaller. It can be like a vinyl sticker or a pre-painted, pre-printed balloon. It's totally cool and totally fine. I'm gonna duplicate it. Okay, good. Really good. So what I'm gonna do is just group this and flip it so it's facing the other direction, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is not organic, sorry, foil balloons. Go to the letters, the big letters, not gold, maybe silver, not fuchsia, not blue, not rose gold. Let's go with silver. Okay, so we need a B and double O. I'm gonna be like boo, haha, it's so good. And as you see, it's really just it takes literally minutes. Literally takes minutes. I think I lost some internet connection here. Okay, so it literally takes only minutes. I'm gonna put these here and here, and this gonna go like a little bit tilted on here. Something, is it at the center? It looks like. Okay, so let's just ungroup this so I can make one big group. Oops, with the hole. One big group from this ghost, so I can just, et voila, it's really good. And let's just go to the canvas so it can be really black or we can add the background if you want, like some kind of spooky background, just like that. Okay, and go to the, oh no, I'm gonna send this back, so it's literally at the back. Okay, you know, I know better. I have a better background for this. I have a better background for this, which is this. Okay, send this back. Let's make it 300, so it's a little bit smaller. It can go, yep, right over there. It's really, really, really good. Okay, let's go back to elements. Let's go to accessories, extras. Of course, as always, we have the person, so you can actually add yourself inside the, you know, this. But what we're going to do is, I'm gonna grab a white table here. It's good, just like that. It's gonna be like a actual trick or treat. Okay, so let's find a balloon weight. Okay, some white one here. It's, you can see, but it's really tiny. It's right there. Let's go to the balloon strings. Okay, let's close the weight. Bam. So we need strings. We need 3 strings. Something white-ish, not pink, not purple, silver. Here's the white one. Perfect. Okay, so what we will need is, oh no, accessories, strings. Okay, we will need curls, white, it's right there. Maybe I'm gonna zoom in so we can see everything better, but that's the last part of it. Okay, I promise that's the really, really, really last part of it. Oops. Just like that. Okay, so we have one curl here, one more here, and one last here. Okay, so let's go to the balloons. So let's go close the accessories, latex balloons, G110, standard white. It's good. Just like that. Maybe we can a little bit tilt this sideways and tilt this a little bit sideways. Can go a little lower. Yep, just like that. And what we can do is just add the face, this little face. So let's just shrink down a little bit. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to zoom in, and this can go right there. And as you see, as I said, you can use pre-printed, you can use any Halloween themed, or you know, any pre-made balloons, or you can use just vinyl stickers. It's really, 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 really up to you. As you see, we have a whole beautiful and of course you can fill these with heliums, not with air. You can fill these balloons with helium if you want. So it's really, really, really nothing about that. It still looks really, really cool. Okay, so let's just close this. I wanted to back to accessories, not strings, not tables, not tassels, not weights. We need some other, okay? Because at the other we have popcorn boxes. If you want, you can put this on the table just to indicate that it can be like a trick or treat kind of thing. Okay, so guys, let me know in the comments, what do you think about this decoration? I really really think it's really simple, really basic. You don't really need too much to create this, but it still looks on the point, still sellable, still easy, profitable. And let's just download the element list, okay, with the safety margin, generating the PDF. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so I'm gonna switch scenes so you can see here. Perfect. So as you see, we do have, okay, we have the all silver balloons, we have tables, weights and everything, but it is just 60 balloons, 70 with the safety margin, but 70 balloons. And of course, as always, you can find the buy link here, so you can directly buy from the Gemar if you need. But it's really nothing. Almost, it's like less than 150 balloons with everything, with literally everything. It's really easy to do, really profitable. It's less than 100 balloons, guys. Less than 100 balloons. So if this is not profitable, I don't know what is it. It's really simple, really easy to do, and really simple balloons. Okay, guys? So if you have any more questions, I'm gonna be in the comment sections. But that was me for this Monday with a really simpler but really useful and a really cute balloon tutorial with Gemar Creator. I hope you enjoyed it. I was Gergo from Hungary. See you on next Monday and on one Thursday or in a live. But anyways, keep playing with balloons and have fun with it. That's the whole point of it, okay? And see you on next Monday. Bye bye.